No, you look cool too. You look awesome. We're like, okay, let's screenshot this. You know, everyone's face is a little different. So what I'm showing you is what works better for me, but you might find something different for you. So just bear that in mind. We're going to try to make outline of our eyebrows. So you have your piece of tape, and I like to just start on one side, cutting like a curve, like my eyebrow. You might not cut it perfectly in the beginning, but just to guesstimate it, I use like two and a half squares worth. And I just cut something like this. I've done this a few times, so that's why it looks half decent. So it might not look as neat, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. And then the same thing on the other side of the paper. And you want to make a little lip for your 11 area. Yeah. So I put this on before bed nowadays. I sleep with this. And I sleep better because I'm not furrowing my eyebrows when I'm sleeping. So, yeah, it's weird. I have better sleep now with this sort of thing. And then I'm just rounding the edges, even though it's not totally necessary, but yeah, you could wear this for a few hours or overnight. Or just during the exercises. So this, I think, is going to help newbies especially. The only thing is your eye, so just maybe putting it over your thing and just see. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah. And I mean, since I've done this, I haven't taken any of my eyebrows off, but just warning, if you do really jam it on there, maybe it would, but I don't know. I think it'll be fine. You can always cut a little bit if you're worried about that, but that looks great. So I start by taking off the backing of the little lip bit, the little 11 bit, just sort of rip that off and take it off. Yeah. So this is our anchor. So we're trying to freeze this part especially. So just gently, so have your eyebrow area, you can use your hand even to kind of make it smooth without stretching, just smoothen it. And then putting that part down gently, maybe using a little bit of the other back to create some heat friction to activate the tape. Yeah, very good. That looks good. And then this part is kind of the harder bit, but taking the other back off. Yeah. And then I'm just peeling that. And just while you're not wrinkling, as smooth as you can. Yeah, very good. And so trying not to, don't stretch it. And you want it to be completely unstretched. And really, you know, activate it down, really get in there. Freezing, giving ourselves Botox, basically. Non-invasive Botox. Do you see how funny I look? Yes, okay. All right. Very good. Perfect. Yes, we're looking great. We got this. Keep it on. Keep it on.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Smile. Okay, I took a view. Awesome.
Oh, it looks so beautiful with your clean background.
You're my first tape person. I've been wanting to do this for so long.